Good morning. I'm Jake.
And I'm Annie, and this morning we will talk to you about...
Kids doing chores.
Exactly. So you know when you come home and your house is full of...
Toys.
Cereal boxes?
Clothes. Everything. You walk in and it looks like the Armageddon came and just rained down on your house. I mean, that's kids, right? What can you do about it?
Well, I have a solution. So...
What can you do about it? I got the fix for you.
No, but seriously, what can you do, Jake?
I don't know. Get them to do chores that they're excited to do.
I think that in life, what's important is like to enjoy everything you do. So even if it's a chore and you're like, oh, this is like something that I have to do.
You can still make it fun.
Yeah, exactly. You can still make it fun. And why not teach that to your kids when they're young? They get that good habit as an adult. They'll enjoy doing chores. And then you can give them incentives, right? So for example, they do their bed. Okay, they have to do that every morning, but they help you water the plants. You say, oh, well, I'll give you 5 points every week when you water a plant. But then you do it...
The plants, not a single plant. I mean, that'd rack up real quick points. So
it's 5 points for all the plants.
Yeah. 5 points for watering the garden.
Yeah. And then they can use those points to get like extra screen time or...
Maybe go to the zoo.
Oh, that's even better because it's a family...
It's a family outing.
It is, yes.
Make life and all the things you have to do in it enjoyable. If you can start these habits when they're kids, then they're set. I mean, when they're adults, they're going to understand why it's important to do these things. They'll know how to do these things. And they'll actually enjoy doing them because they were made as habits when they were kids and sponges and very impressionable.
And the fun part about it also is that you work as a family, as a team. So you show teamwork. And then at the end of the day, when the chores are done more quickly, well, you have more family time together. And then you create bonds. And I think that's what life is about. Life is about creating bonds with other people, being happy, enjoying life. Looking at nature, I mean, there's nothing more powerful than nature. To be happy, to enjoy life. And that's why we decided to film here.
Yeah, it has nothing to do with the fact that we're staying here right now because it's 125 where we live.
So I think it's important to develop skills early. So as parents, it's important to teach our kids to develop those skills pretty early.
Right. You can't develop them too early because most of the chores they wouldn't be able to do.
And this way, when the kids help you with chores, they learn the value of
working together.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
Exactly. They enjoy it. I mean, they might say, oh, I don't, but they enjoy it. At the end of the day, they're like, wow, I accomplished something. They feel better. And
but you feel a sense of achievement, and that makes everyone feel happy. You're like, yes, I got something done. So the main purpose of this short series here is to really talk about the Chore Rewards Adventure, which is a fun little thing that we created to help address all that stuff that we were talking about earlier. Like, how do you get your kids interested in doing chores? How do you make it fun and exciting for them? What do you think?
Yeah, and it's free, so it doesn't cost you anything. You can look at it. You can like decide to modify it. And what's cool about what we did is we incorporated a lot of other skills that they're going to learn while doing this adventure. So like time management.
Self-esteem.
How to negotiate.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah. If you want to look it out, it's on skilledoffspring.com. And it gives you all the steps. We divided it into 9 days because we told ourselves, well, if we're a busy parent, do we really
have time to do the entire thing at once?
Yeah. So we divided it into 9 days, and I would say maybe 2 minutes per day, maybe 5.
Yeah.
Or 10. It depends which day you're on.
Yeah, and it also depends on how deep you want to dive into each section.
Exactly.
But our goal was just to make it
fun for the whole family. So there's like a little story that they can read. They learn new words like budgeting, time management, hard work, value of work, things like that. So what's cool is that you can choose chores together.
And on top of choosing the chores, once you've chosen them, now you get to negotiate their values.
And then you get to track the progress.
Finally, you encourage initiative and teamwork. That way, you can make sure that it all gets done fun, safely, and it's up to the standards of mom and dad. Thank you for tuning in today.
Yes, thank you for tuning in. And if you want to explore that,
you can check us out at www.skilledoffspring.com.
So if you want more information, you can continue listening to this series about this Chore Rewards Adventure. We go really deeply into every aspect of it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for tuning in.
So, parents, remember, enjoy the parenting journey along the way.
Exactly.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.